So we're here with our business solutions communication devices today, our flagship ADECIA range. We've got our ceiling microphone. So we've got one here with the cover off. You can see we've got 64 individual mic elements that go in to create our ceiling microphone. This guy will do 4 dynamic beam forming but mic beams to track up to 4 speakers simultaneously, all powered by POE with a single Dante output. So we've got our ceiling solution. We've also got a tabletop option in the ADECIA range. So we have tabletop microphones that have got 6 different pickup patterns available to them. Comes with a mounting bracket for your table, and again, POE and Dante powered audio devices available in black and white for your ADECIA tabletop range as well. We've also got, coming very shortly, we've got across the table our ADECIA wireless range. So we've got a few options of wireless microphones available. Cardioid, omnidirectional, 6-inch and 12-inch goosenecks with charging cradles and wireless access points. So wireless access point in 8 and 16 channels, so you can have up to 8 or 16 wireless microphones connected at once. 8 hours of battery life from a single charge as well off your charging dock. So those are all our microphone options in the ADECIA range. We've also got the POE-powered line array speakers that can project your far end back to you. Again, all POE powered, so single cable for audio and power for all of our ADECIA solutions. Coming down from ADECIA, we've actually got our speakerphone range, so YVC. We start here on our biggest module here, which is a separate amplifier input unit and speaker with our microphone. Microphones are connected with category cable as well, so category 5 or 6 cable. You can have up to 5 microphones per unit to cover up to 40 participants. You've got analog inputs and outputs on the back as well, so you can expand to external speakers for large rooms. Bluetooth on board, so you can include mobile phone calls as well. The unit will do all of your mixing for external parties and send out back to your far end as well. Coming down from that, YVC 330, great for small offices and meeting spaces, 3 to 5 people with about a 3-meter pickup radius. Has a unique to Yamaha technology called sound cap, where it will actually restrict its pickup field if you're in an open work environment, so like huddle spaces and things like that, where you're not going to pick up all of your background noise that might be distracting for your fellow callers on the other end. Down from your YVC 300 is our YVC 200, battery powered USB charging speakerphone as well, great for personal offices, 1 meter pickup area, Bluetooth as well, so you can include your phone calls on your YVC 200 or use it as a speaker to play back music in your office as well. A really good all-rounder there. Comes with a convenient carry case as well, so you can take the unit out on the road with you, use it with your phone while you're in your car as a Bluetooth speaker for your Teams meetings or Zoom meetings. And so that covers off our range of microphone-only solutions. We've also got on show today our CS500 webcam and microphone. So beam-forming microphone with 4K webcam included in that, with USB 3 display link. So we've got it connected into our TV here with HDMI, and then laptop connected with USB for your second display. We've got the 4K camera, as I said, does pan and scan zooming to pick up on individual participants. It can do speaker tracking as well. So we've got 3D beam-forming microphone in this unit. Comes with a convenient puck remote control as well, so you can mute and unmute the microphone on the fly. And on the back side, you've got all of your detailed controls if you'd like to get into the menus and the setup, but typically sits on the desk with the mute button, ready to go for when you want to mute your microphone for the call. All right, so we're here with some new install speakers in the range for Yamaha. We've got 3 models of ceiling speaker. We've got a 4-inch, a 6-inch and an 8-inch, all 2-way speaker configurations with either back cans or without. So depending on your requirements for your install, you can choose which option you like. All removable and paintable speaker grills, which just twist off, with built-in 100-volt transformers for either 16 ohm operation or 100-volt operation with multiple taps. So available in black and white speaker grills, but as I mentioned, all fully paintable as well. Moving up the range, we've got 2 models of pendant speaker as well, an 8-inch 2-way and a 6-inch 2-way available both in black and white. So we've got 140 degree coverage on the 6-inch and 75 on the 8-inch. Also available with 100 volt compatibility or low impedance in 8 ohm mode. Moving across from them, we've got a relatively new range of install speakers for louder SPL applications. So a 10-inch driver and a horn at the top there, 12-inch and a 15-inch, designed for install applications, all rigging point mountable with NL4 speaker connectors on the back, 600 watt program power for the 10-inch version, and 700 watt program power for the 12 and the 15. We've just got those running off our PCD series amplifier down here at the moment, which is 4-channel by 600 watts, so a really good match for our VKE installation series loudspeakers as well. So this is the range we've got on display here today at Integrate for relatively new install speakers for Yamaha. And we're over here with the brand new Fresh to Australia DM7 series of consoles. They've only been in the country for about a week, so as fresh as they can possibly come. So really great response to the DM7 that we've been having here at Integrate, which has been fantastic. New full-size DM7, 120 mix channels, 48 mix buses, 144 I/O on Dante, with 32 local inputs and 16 local outputs as well. So really versatile. Yeah, much anticipated new console in sort of the mid-range land for Yamaha, coming in around $48,000, so coming in right at that sweet spot in the mid-range console market. So really great reaction to this guy, and really looking forward to getting it out there in the world. So you can see we've got two great new 12-inch touchscreens, really high resolution, high brightness screens, and we've also got this new to Yamaha 7-inch utility screen, which gives us access to our scene memories and some user-defined buttons as well, and also the integrated light strip across the top of the console, so we no longer need lamps over the top. Its little sibling as well, the DM7 Compact, 16 local inputs, 16 local outputs, as well as 72 mix channels. We still have 144 Dante I/O as well, so you're just taking a little bit of a reduction in input channel count at 72. Still got your 48 mix buses as well. Single fader bank of 12 faders and the single 12-inch screen. Still get your utility screen on the side here. So both these models are also compatible with the new expansion model, which will actually enhance the capabilities of the units. You get a couple of extra faders, jog control, transport control, and a bunch more user-defined buttons. So as I said, great response to these two units so far at Integrate, and we're really looking forward to getting them out there in the market so people can get their hands on them.